Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 8th of January 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, German solar developer vogt said today it has agreed to offload its 780-megawatt portfolio of solar and energy storage projects in Greece to domestic sector player FARIA Renewables. The projects included in the to-be-divested portfolio are at various stages of development, while specific details about them were not provided. FARIA Renewables is a power producer and project developer backed by Omnis Capital's CapEnergy 5 fund and Greece's FARIA Group. Galicia has given the green light to the controversial Law 2/2024, aimed at regulating the social and economic benefits of projects that exploit natural resources in the region. Although presented as a milestone to guarantee the sustainable and balanced development of the region, the implementation of the law has generated strong objections among renewable sector companies present in the autonomous community. They consider the measures to be an obstacle to investments. EIT InnoEnergy has marked another milestone in driving the energy transition, closing 56 rounds of funding across its portfolio of cleantech startups and scale-ups worth €4.3 billion. The investment in these companies, which range from wave energy to batteries and green steel, includes private and public financing, in which InnoEnergy has also been actively involved. This highlights that despite a difficult year, InnoEnergy and its ecosystem remain committed to investing in and providing value-added services to companies leading the energy transition. A production shutdown in India at Fiberline Composites has accelerated the shutdown of the company globally. Swiss company GmbH, which owns Funen-based Fiberline, has decided to lay off all employees by the end of the year as part of its ongoing strategic adjustment. Fiberline is a manufacturer of glass and carbon fiber components for wind turbines, with GmbH absorbing any commercial contracts to continue to supply fiberglass or carbon fiber elements to Fiberline customers. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.